What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Gonna be heading down to my parents' house. Gonna be seafoaming my mom's car. So I got a can of this. Never tried it before. She has a Mini Cooper. She's been having some cold start issues, and from what I read online, it's from carbon buildup. My wife owns a Mini. I used to own a Mini. I've never had that problem with mine, but also my mom's car sits a lot. It has, I believe, like 34,000 miles on it. It's an 09. And see how slow it doesn't rot on it as much. So yeah, gonna pick up some coffee like normal, and let's head down. Let's go. And here's today's project. 2009 Mini Cooper S. Okay, I'm gonna start it up and bring it out front and get the seafoaming going. So first thing I'm gonna do is gonna check the spark plugs. Place did it in town. I want to make sure it's the right ones they put in. Also, this will be the vacuum line I'll be putting the seafoam in when it comes time. So let's go ahead and check the spark plugs and see how they look. Can get focused on that, but it's kind of dirty. It got changed last year, but my mom doesn't drive that much. So I'm going to clean off brake cleaner. I don't think this is a problem. Okay, I got it focused in. They used a Denso brand, which, for how much they charged my mom just for the spark, they charged $60 for the 4 spark plugs, which I can get NGK, which is recommended by many, for $40. Also, they charged her $60 for install, so $120 to get some stupid spark plugs done. So, told my mom not to do that anymore. Just got done cleaning out the spark plugs, got them back in. Now, I got the seafoam over here. Measured out 5 ounces because that's what I've been reading on the mini forums about how much to use. So I'll be pouring that in, starting up the car, unhooking the vacuum line, and kind of sucking it into the system. Also be putting some in the gas tank. Okay, it was hard to hear when the motor was running, but what I did was pop this main vacuum line off and just poured the 5 ounces in there slowly. When you disconnect this, the car will start running a little bit rough, but it will adjust with the vacuum chains, and you just slowly pour it in. After you get the 5 ounces in, turn off the car, let it sit for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and start it up, and you should see a bunch of white smoke come out. So let's wait. Okay, I'm gonna pour about 7 ounces into the gas tank. It's 1 ounce per a gallon, how big the gas tank is. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes, so I'm gonna set up the camera right here, get it started, and see how much smoke comes out. Holy moly. Set it up right here. So I'll let that go for a while. Looks like it's burning up a lot of carbon, so that's good. Let it run for a while, rev up the engine a little bit more, and then I will go take it for a test drive. And hopefully that helps everything out. Just get away from the cop first.
Don't tell. Scatting me.
We're only 70, Mom.
Nah, man. Good.
Welcome back. It's the next day. Forgot to do an outro yesterday, but I also want to talk to my mom today and see how everything went. She went and started up this morning, and it started up fine. Didn't hesitate and died on her. It didn't take her a couple times like she's been having to do the last month or so, starting up first thing in the morning. So, and cleaning the carbon up worked really good. I'm probably going to do it on my wife's Mini, and maybe just do some on my car later down the road. So if you're having cold start issues, it was, from what I read, the first gen and second gen Mini Coopers had that problem. If you didn't drive as much and let it sit, my mom maybe drives 2 times a week. I mean, she put, I think I averaged it out about 3,500 miles a year on the car. So she hardly ever drives, and when she does, it's just in town. But that worked out, and also received these in the mail the other day, my aux beam headlight bulbs, LED bulbs. So I will be doing install video and pretty much a review on those. Probably do that tomorrow and have the video up in a few days. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and peace out until next time.